folks. Good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It is the end of the week. It is Friday, April 27. And we welcome our friends at onespotmedia.com.
Don't mind me. Just a temporary diversion.
Is that?
It's my bracelet.
Just drop one?
Can't believe my wrist so far small that it would catch off on it. It seems like Simone what?
Falling apart.
Oh, gosh, that's so sweet of you.
OneSpotMedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJam TVJ, and also on television, Jamaica.com.
I think it's time
As
for me
always,
to
we
go
have a
home.
great show for you. It's a Friday, end of the week. It's a fun day, and we're going to have some fun. Well, go on.
If I don't fall apart first. I just try to keep it together for the show.
You're not falling
Apparently.
apart. Well, go on.
I'm hanging in there, man.
Yeah, everything is everything.
Most things are some things, and other things will be okay.
Most things are some things, and other things will be okay. All right.
Like your jinglings.
Yeah.
A lot of jinglings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
7.
7 jinglings.
Yeah.
Have any more? Anywhere hidden?
At home.
That's not hidden.
I've enough,
Well, it's hidden from us.
enough of them.
Okay.
I was going to say something, I forget.
Oh, that's terrible.
Isn't it though?
I'm really sad about that. But something tells me you're going to find something else to say. Anyway.
No, because I didn't want to say something to you and I forget. It's right here.
It was right on the tip of my tongue.
Why people come up with things like that?
But
Say it's at
I
the tip of my
forgot
tongue.
because it's just about to come off.
But
and
if I
then
don't remember, it's not at the tip of my tongue. I don't remember.
it's just right there
Let me
waiting
see.
for release.
Want to see?
Let me see. Right on the left side. Just try. And it will come
I'm
off.
gonna,
Don't spit it on the ground. Utter
No,
it.
I'm not spitting. I just, it's a word. I drop it out to see if I see it.
Do you see anything over there?
No.
Okay.
Delia is on the show this morning, isn't she?
Well, she's
I
not
thought-
on the show. She's working with
part of
us.
the show.
Yes.
They're not the same thing.
She out the road.
She's not the same.
Down a town. No. So on the show, you make it seem like she'd be a guest. But she's really a part of the broadcast team because she's going to be a host. So there's a difference in the interaction. She's going to talk about Jamaican women in theatre. She's a guest.
Can you
She's on
speak without,
Scotia.
without gesticulating?
I could try, but I find
no,
that this...
try. Like on my hand is so don't move your hands when you speak. Speak now.
What's the question?
Don't move your head either.
Oh, don't move my head either.
Hey, what's the question?
Can I move my eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the question?
Why you use your arms and move up and down when you speak?
I don't always.
Yeah, but what does it do when you do that?
They are used as enhancements or
You're moving your
for...
fingers.
I'm not.
Yep, you just do
Or
it.
for emphasis. So typically, we tell you not to use your hands because it will distract from what you're saying
Right.
because people are so focused on what you're doing with your hands that they
Right.
don't listen to what you're saying.
So then why are you moving your hands when
I'm
you
not.
speak?
Right now,
Yeah.
but then I look stoic, don't I? Robotic even.
Oh, you look nice.
So sometimes if you want to make an emphasis, you say you
Don't
never.
move your hand.
I'm showing you how to use them for purpose.
So why I can't just turn and look at
For
you?
emphasis. So
Why I can't
you,
just say
Mr. Bell, and Londia, Mrs. Bell, and
Londia,
all the
Mrs.
folks.
You, Mr. Bell and Lanya.
It's not Mrs. Bell around here, you know. So.
No, it's Mrs.
And
B.
some Mr. Bell too.
She's Mrs. Blair.
Oh. Bell Blair? Blair
Yeah.
Bell?
Blair Bell.
Yes.
All right, folks, so if you
Works.
love photography but don't know where to start, stay tuned because we've got the beginner's guide to taking great pictures.
Yes, I see a lot of people turning to photography now. Used to be a hobby and now a way of
Yeah,
life. That's
business.
fantastic, yeah.
Yeah.
Picture-worthy pottery. We're going to catch up with a couple who fell in love with the art when they roll in with a few pieces this
Then
morning.
roll out, as the usual 3 contestants.
Go on,
find
carry
this
it.
week's title.
Okay, but who will win the Poppy Show title? We don't even need a competition for that, but if you want us to try it out, we don't have a problem. Our producer is taking the same... I would win the Poppy Show title? I'm sitting beside Neville, and I would win the Poppy Show title.
You win it every week. No one scores me off every week because I lose every week. So you win. If I lose every week, and it's me and you work. Like I work.
Winning a game doesn't make me the Poppy Show winner. You probably lost because you're a bigger Poppy Show than I. hence you failed at puppy showism, which makes you King Puppy.
Oh, I am
King.
I am King
Puppy. Sir Nephril, King Puppy, ladies and gentlemen.
And Queen Puppiness.
Me not tell no lie. When me look on that picture there from Tuesday, Monday though.
Is the Queen Puppiness.
Yeah, it was Miss Hopton and Mask was saying that chat. Anyway, the game this morning is called Basket for Carry Water. Yeah, London, it doesn't sound good. Are we going to have stuff to cover us up? Because there's going to be some wet things happening.
All right.
All right.
Level up your wardrobe with Bullets Fashion. We catch up with the founder of the line and she'll have a few models.
Bullets. All right, model behavior in Parliament. Did you guys see what happened this week? Well, we're going to be talking about the latest situation that has everybody wondering if we can really look to our leaders for behavior that we should all model. That's later on the show.
Did you hear the reason behind what the opposition leader did?
The reasoning. Because, you want me to tell you what I heard?
Yeah.
Or what I read?
Yeah.
Because somebody else was asking for an extra 2 minutes for the opposition member of health to state his case or ask a question about Cornwall.
Right.
And somebody on the other side said, 2 minutes for what? And he said, these 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Which is not really quite
Yeah, but he said he didn't want to do that because that's a
Did
JLP
he say that or
side.
did other people say that?
No, man, he apologized. He came out and apologized, but he said he didn't want to do that, meaning 2 because that's a JLP side. So he held up 2 fingers, 1 from each hand. And he said no one was offended. He said the opposition was offended.
I was offended, sir.
No, I'm just telling you what, all I'm telling you is what he said.
You have these 2, you have these 2, you have these 2, you have these 2, and we all know what the other 2 mean. So if you're going to apologize...
Because you never need to put up anything. You could have just said, I want 2 minutes.
I mean, the truth is that the gestures were inappropriate. So too were many of the other things that happened. The behavior from, you know, both, not one side of the house. There were many people there that day. There was a near fracas with Minister Vaz and Minister Campbell who want to meet who outside. And as Never said, there were kids sitting in the gallery. So all around, it was a bad showing. I know Minister Vaz has apologized. You say no, Minister Phillips has apologized. I'm not sure if Minister Campbell, Opposition Minister Campbell will or has, but it just, I think it was a dark day for us, generally speaking, as far as the showing. Well,
again, as Tim said, we'll be talking about that later. But then we head to the bank, Scotia Bank, that is, for a live link to see what their digital banking roadshow is all about. And Dahlia will have that. But before Dahlia have anything, we're going to
hot topics.
Some hot topics.
Let's go.
It's dropping off again?
Yeah, it had a thing here and then. This is a terrible story.
Whoa.
This is a terrible story. So you guys would have heard about what happened in Hanover. Paul Coote, 61-year-old Hanover man, accused of killing his pregnant ex-girlfriend and their 2 kids.
And his 2 kids.
Their 2 children.
Yep.
He's been removed from the General Police lockup for safety reasons, they say. He was arrested on Wednesday after he allegedly, I won't even go into the gruesome details, but Cunningham, who lived with her mother, that's the mother of the kids, she went to Coote's house reportedly to collect the children when an argument developed over the father of the child that she was carrying. And then what happened. I understand that Mr. Coote has got legal aid. Attorneys Tamika Davis and Delford Morgan have been assigned to represent Coote. He's being questioned by investigators. So we'll see how that pans out. He's actually a car wash worker, and he's going to be represented by the attorneys at any pre-charging process, committal proceedings at the parish court, and trial at the circuit court level.
I kind of rate those people, the legal aid folks. Legal aid people, because
and everybody has rights.
Yeah, I'm saying to defend someone who probably everyone thinks or knows that he's guilty of killing kids, and you have to go there and
they say innocent until proven otherwise.
Do your best to prove that he's not guilty. It takes a lot. The
story is so guttingly sad.
Yep. Bill Cosby found guilty. And apparently he could serve something like 30 years, which would basically put him in jail for the rest of his life. I think that's what's left for us to hear about now, is how long he will be jailed. Apparently they did not want him even to leave the court, because one of the lawyers suggested that he has a private jet and he could flee the country. But the judge apparently disagreed with that, and I don't know if he's on bail or he's just waiting to be sentenced.
He's going to be back in court in another 30 to 60 days, I think they say, but he's going to be fitted with a GPS monitor.
Yep, so he can't go anywhere without them knowing where he is.
Right, correct. All right.
Well, what did Mr. Trump call this man?
Several things. The good things are the bad things.
Rocket man.
Because now he's singing his praises.
Yep. Kim Jong-un.
Yes.
He's in South Korea. Which is a good sign.
He crossed the line. What they call that zone again? I can't remember.
Yeah, the military,
yes.
military line. Which is a good thing, because apparently he's saying that he's going to stop this nuclear stuff. And then he's supposedly going to meet with Mr. Trump. So, I mean, if...
Mr. Trump's pick for Secretary of State has already met him privately. That's Mike Pompeo.
So, as I said...
I wonder what... Everybody's wondering what it is that the U.S. said or used as a compromise to get Kim, who's been so excited about his nuclear program and just bombing up everybody, to actually draw back and say, okay, we're not going to test anymore. We're actually shutting down a major site or one of the sites. So, I guess we'll hear more about that, as Never would say, more anon.
Yep. All right, have plenty birthdays.
So then go on.
This is Mas Tess. This is Dara's brother. So Dara just sent this to me. So Tess, happy birthday. It's coming from your sister Dara and from all of us. That is not Tess.
I was just going to say, Dara has such a young brother.
Yeah, that is not Tess.
Who is that cutie pie?
I will tell you who that is. But let me try show you Mas Tess again, because that is not Tess. Dara must be saying, huh? Let's try again. Here is Tess. Ow! Sorry about that. Ah, there you go. That's Tess. So that's Dara's brother. Happy birthday from your sister Dara and from all of us. Have a great day today and many, many happy returns. Let me show you another one here.
So who was that baby?
We're going to get to that baby. I hope it's the baby that I'm supposed to get to. And this is Dina Robinson. She celebrates her birthday tomorrow. Dina, happy birthday coming from your wonderful auntie and my good friend Novlin. So there's Dina right there. There you go. Everybody I call coming in.
Oh, Jesus. Answer it and tell them he's working. Answer it.
I won't tell you who it's coming from. I call coming in. In the meantime, let me say happy birthday to Javon Holgate. He goes to Eltham High. He's 16 years old today. And Javon, greetings coming from your dad Craig, your mom Damia, your stepmom Janice, your grandma, the rest of the family. And also happy birthday to Romelia Francis. She's 10 years old today and it's coming from your godmom.
Somebody's just giving you something.
Somebody I call again.
Oh, you're so popular in time man in here.
From your godmom, godmom Shelly, you know Shelly from Dance Expression.
Yes.
Yeah. Aaron,
Shelly
Expressions. Can work out his birthday. Think this
Carol said stop ringing.
It's a little confusing. I don't know who I call the boss. So early. All right. I don't finish it. I have another one here. Wait, don't move.
Let's try this again then.
Happy birthday to a great hubby and father, Daniel Simpson. Mr. Simpson, happy birthday from your wife, Narda, your daughter, Danae. And also sending happy 99th birthday wishes to a loving mom and grandmom, and somebody, grandmom, Miriam Russell. No, I feel it's vibrating.
Okay.
Celebrates her birthday tomorrow. They say you're such a blessing, and it comes from your loving family. So to Mr. Simpson and Ms. Russell, happy birthday. Happy birthday also to the Honorable Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, and Sport. The birthday greetings.
Just in case nobody knew who she was, right, Harold? Honestly?
Miss Babsy Grange from the members of the executive floor of the ministry, the Harrow family, and friends. All right, I have another one somewhere if I can reach.
This is a nice picture of her, though.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
Well, I know, and happy birthday to Liam Grant. I think Liam was the picture that came up before. So can you see that picture again? Happy
Just
birthday
wanted to
to
make sure
Liam Grant. There you go, Liam.
Liam is delicious.
From your mom, Siesha, your grandma, Angela, family and friends. I think I'm confused. I think I get everybody.
I don't sure, Nev. But you did a good job.
I'm confused. Thank you very much.
Good work.
I think I get everybody.
I think you've done your bit for today. You can go home now.
Yeah.
And we'll see you on Monday morning.
Oh, thank you. Happy birthday, folks.
Happy birthday to you too. Thanks.